Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Marketplace payment restriction by product plugin. Now using this plugin will allow the marketplace vendors to restrict payment methods available to the customers based on the products itself. So what it means is that whatever allowed payment methods have been enabled by the marketplace vendors for their products, only those would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. So here you can see that on one of the products, that's the camera demo. I have enabled three different payment methods, that's cash on delivery, marketplace WePay, and the adaptive PayPal itself. And for the other product here, that's the furniture demo, I've set the allowed payment methods as cash on delivery, free checkout, marketplace WePay, payment gateway, and adaptive PayPal. Now because these are two products, so only those payment methods would be available to the customers that are common here, that are cash on delivery, marketplace WePay, payment gateway, and the adaptive PayPal payment system. So this is just a demo that I'm trying to show you. So it depends upon what different payment methods do you have in your store there, or what have been enabled by the admin in the admin configuration of this particular plugin for the payment methods available within your store there. So all of those would be visible here that have been enabled by the admin, and these can be assigned to the different products there by the marketplace vendors. Now only these payment methods would be accessible to the customers and the checkout time as well. So right now I've added the furniture demo, for example, and here you can see that I have four different payment methods available for that. So if I go ahead and I just go ahead for a checkout with this, let me add it to the cart once again, and let me proceed to the checkout with the same. Now before we proceed further with the workflow of this particular plugin, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So here you can see that right now, depending upon the product there and the enabled payment methods for the same, the payment methods are visible to the customers and the checkout time. So here if we go to the particular product once again, that was the furniture demo. Here I had enabled cash on delivery, marketplace WePay, and adaptive. If I remove this one and I save this one, you'll see that then we'll only have two payment methods at the checkout time available to the customers there. Let me go ahead and let me proceed once again further, and let me tap continue. Now you can see that only marketplace WePay and adaptive PayPal is available here to the customer. So that's how this particular plugin works. That's the OpenCart Marketplace payment restriction by product plugin, and the customers can only use those payment methods that have been enabled by the sellers for their respective products. Now how the marketplace vendors would be able to allow or set the allowed payment methods for their products, what they need to do is they need to navigate to their product list or the account panel. Then they can edit any of their products by tapping on the edit button. This works for a new product as well. And thereafter you have to go to the allowed payment methods tab, and here whatever payment methods have been enabled by the admin would be available for you to select for your products there, and whatever you select here for your products would then be visible at the checkout to your customers there. So this was for the already created products, and for a new product as well, what you can do is you can go ahead and add a new product by tapping here on the add button, and then you can go to the allowed payment methods and you can select the payment methods that should be available for this particular product. Now this was the vendors, and now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin, and how the admin would also be able to set the allowed payment methods for the vendor products and for his own products as well. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel now. Let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the username and the password. So we've logged into the admin backend panel. So to make the initial configuration settings first, we'll navigate through extensions and modules. Then we'll go to the Webkul's payment restriction module, and we'll tap on the edit button under the actions column. And from here you can enable or disable the Webkul's payment restriction module plugin there. That's the OpenCart Marketplace payment restriction by product plugin. And here the admin can select the payment methods that should be available for the to the marketplace vendors, so that they can choose any one of them to make it available at the product end there, at the checkout to the customers for their products there. So here, whatever payment methods the admin has selected, only those would be available to the marketplace vendors, and from that particular list only can they select the payment methods for their products. So this was the initial configuration. So after making the configuration, just tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Now then how the admin would be able to what we say as assign the payment methods to the vendor products there. For that, you'll have to navigate to catalog and products. Here you can see this is the product of the vendor there, the camera demo and the future furniture demo there, and these are the products of the admin. So for the seller products, he can tap here on the edit button under the actions column and go to the allowed payment methods, and can view the payment methods enabled by this particular seller for his product, and can make a change there as well on behalf of the sellers there. Now the admin can do it for his products as well. So for that, he'll have to tap on the edit button for his particular product, go to the allowed payment methods, select the payment methods for his particular product, and then tap here on the save button. Now the same can be done for a newly created product by the admin. So if the admin goes and adds a new product there, then he'll have to navigate to the allowed payment methods, select the payment methods that should be enabled for this particular product, and then he can tap on the save button. Now kindly note that it might also happen that so one product is there that's having the assigned payment methods, and one is not having the assigned payment methods. Now in that case scenario, I'll just show you how that works. For that, I'll just take you to the seller end once again. So that was the admin's end. Now let me take you to back to the seller's end once again to show you this particular case. Now you can see that I have two products, furniture demo and camera demo. For camera demo, I have enabled the available payment methods, and for the furniture demo, I don't have enabled anyone. Now if I go ahead and proceed further to the checkout there, let's see what happens. So here you'll find a warning, no payment options are available, please contact us for assistance. Because in this case scenario, what happened is that one product was having the allowed payment methods, and one was not having the same. Now in the case if both of the products are there, for example, let me show you that. Now in the case, for example, I have the furniture and I have enabled all the 4 ones, and I have this other one, that's the camera demo, having only the cash on delivery, the marketplace VPN, adaptive PayPal payment methods available for the products. Now in this case, only the common ones that will be common in both of the products would be available to the customer at the checkout time. So now let me show you that. So it has cash on delivery, marketplace VPay, adaptive PayPal, and this one has all the 4 along with the free checkout. Now only the cash on delivery, marketplace VPay, and adaptive PayPal will be available at the checkout time. So let me show you that. So right now I have furniture and the camera demo here. Let's proceed with the checkout there. And here you can see that only the common ones are visible to the customers there for selecting the particular payment method for making the payment for the respective products in the cart there. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart Marketplace PayPal restriction by product plugin, and I hope this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.